Hush. I'm going to try this in a different key than I normally play it in. And nothing wants to work right for me tonight. I should give up now while I'm halfway ahead, but I'm still not where I need to be. Oh, I got a solution. My best friend in the world bandana. A bandana. They're great for all kinds of stuff. What did I say? Lightning crashes? Mm-hmm. Okay. As you can see, I'm digging in my library, having all kinds of fun. Tell me I know there's lots of better musicians out there. If I'm making silly mistakes, please tell me about them. I will correct my errors. I take any comment. Lightning crashes, a new mother cracks. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. Confusion sets in before the doctor can close the door. Lightning crashes, an old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was her now belongs to the baby down the hall. And oh, now feel it coming back again. Rolling thunder, chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crashes, new mother cracks. This moment she's been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes, pale blue colored eyes, presents the circles and puts the glory out to hide. Hide, oh, now feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Oh, now feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. Thank you. Please like,
Comment.
comment, and subscribe.